everyone, welcome to another episode of The Bridge, brought to you by Business Day. I'm Arisa Ugu, and today we're going to be discussing digital financial products. In the studio, we have two fantastic guests, Jeffrey Uzo, the founder of Jeffrey Urban Clothing, and Kehinde Adedeji, the head of Salesforce for Alat. Stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of The Bridge. I'm Arisa Ugu, and today we're going to be talking about foreign exchange, real estate, insurance, exporting, how to make a killing in the stock market.
Hi everyone, my name is Afua Osei. I'm a co-founder of She Leads Africa.
My name is Bankole Olufemi. I'm co-founder of Big Herbal Media.
Welcome to Utopia Beauty. We're an online beauty store that sells skincare, hair care, and makeup products.
I am Chef Fregs Bubemi Fregene, executive chef and owner of Chef Fregs.
Every single product that we stock is tried and tested by my team and I.
We do a detailed menu here at Chef Fregs so that the team has very specific instructions on what to do.
For me, one of the coolest things about being an entrepreneur, especially one who's working in the creative media space, is the fact that I can wear my hair however I like, and I can get away with not having to wear a suit.
And you need to stay watching The Bridge.
For the Central Bank of Nigeria, our first work now to make sure say price stable. But to fit achieve this kind thing, we must make sure say money stable, plus financial environment way sound and chance to take collect capital without disturb for the real sector. This now why since 1960, the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, they promote financial system way sound for Naija plus interventions and funding of Orishirishi development initiatives them. For inside agriculture, micro, small and medium enterprises them and infrastructure sector them. The reason why we dey put hand now to take increased credit flow go inside strategic sectors to take reduce financial exclusion rate and stimulate value chain development. With guarantees, rebate and direct funding them, we support plenty Orishirishi initiatives where we target to take create wealth and plenty job opportunity them. Shey agriculture business you dey do, MSMEs abi infrastructure development? Make you visit www.cbn.gov.ng abi make you waka enter any CBN branch to take know how you fit take create wealth plus job opportunity them. This message now from the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be discussing digital financial products. See, I don't know about you, but I definitely do not like standing in queues at banks. I don't even like talking to my account officer. It's definitely gotten a lot easier these days because there's so many digital aspects to banking. However, I've been hearing about some really interesting, fully digital financial products that will make it even more convenient for millennials to open bank accounts and do their transactions. So let's first of all talk to Jeff about, what are your pain points when it comes to banking in Nigeria?
Oh, okay. Like you said earlier, going into the bank, I'm meeting a lot of people.
Yeah.
That's something I'd
say turn off.
Yeah. Like you walk into the bank and then you meet like a lot of people. Oh my God, no. I don't want this to happen now. And then sometimes, because they must have, the workers in the bank must have had like a long day. And then you go speaking to them, excuse me, please, can I have this? And
they start giving you attitude.
And they're like, you've also had a long day. You're like, oh my God, no, this is not happening. Do you understand? So it's better when everything is digital. When everything is digital, you don't have to go, because you can't go shouting on your phone and all of that.
But let's talk about how possible it is, because I've been hearing some very exciting things about Alat. I love the name, by the way. Very catchy, especially for millennials. But you're the first fully digital financial institution or bank? Bank.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about, the pain points that your product.
Okay. So Alat by Wema was actually birthed by because we wanted to address your needs, both of you. You don't like to go into the bank, because of the long queues and the poor service experience by banking personnel. And we thought, what can we do to address this? Especially because technology has disrupted a whole lot of things. Every industry is being disrupted by technology, and the bank cannot afford to be lagging behind. And so we needed to be at the forefront, and we thought that we should champion it in
And this was kind of your way of rebranding, wasn't it?
Well, it's not exactly rebranding. We're just looking into the future, and we decided to beat the industry to it. Yes, by preferring a banking app that caters to your needs without you visiting the brick and mortar.
So tell me a little bit more about this, not visiting the brick and mortar.
Okay,
so
all right.
What about KYC?
Yes, we have all of that sorted. Okay, so I'm saying that to open an Alert account, all you need to do is download Alert from your store. If you're on Android, go to Google Play Store. If you're on Apple, go to iOS, go to Apple Play Store and just download Alert. Once you download, it will take you step by step. So one thing you require is the BVN. And the BVN, you insert your BVN number, you put your date of birth, and you go into Alert. So for documentation, which still takes a lot of people into the bank, we're saying take a picture of your utility bill, take a picture of your valid ID card, take a selfie of yourself, yes, and then to append your signature on a paper and snap it, and then upload all these things online.
How do you verify those documents? What if I just put like some random fake ID?
Okay, so
I was going to ask.
Okay, yes. So beautiful. Every sector is putting in a whole lot of things to ensure that validity of documentation is at ease. So we will check your driver's license. For instance, there's the e-portal with Federal Road Safety. We'll check the validity of your ID card, the number, the date of issuance, and the expiration date also. So we will get, if it's not valid, we will just reject you.
I love it.
Politely.
It sounds so technology driven, which is like so amazing. But Jeffrey, do you find that you have other issues when it comes to banking? Like I hear lots of people, because I'm into financial education. It's a passion that I have. And I get a lot of complaints from people saying, it's difficult to save. How do I save? So do you find that that's a pain point that you relate to as well?
Yes, actually. It's if the bank that I use now. Sometimes when I save money, it's how do I put it? It's a little
hard.
Yeah, it's a little hard to save money and not pull it out easily. Like
it's like I save a bit and then I get to a point where I see some shoes that I like and I want to buy them.
But then while I was talking to her, at some point she mentions things about checking my expenditure, how I spend and how I save money. Do you understand?
So like documenting it or helping you track your spending.
Yeah, because
okay, so what went into Alert is actually a long story. We also had this conversation for our target audience. By the way, our target audience are students, young professionals, young entrepreneurs, ages 18 to 40. And a lot of people say they want their bank to discipline them when it comes to saving. And on Alert, we've introduced a goal setting, and it's a feature on Alert, but all by yourself. You're saying you want to save. Okay, create a goal. Put a time frame to the goal. Set the amount you want the bank to debit you, be it on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or on a monthly basis. And it will just do it automatically. Yes, it will just do it. Yeah. Once your Alert account is funded, we take away that money based on your instructions, based on your terms, and we put it aside for you. And there are two types of goals, because we know sometimes exigencies would require us to have access to this money. So there's the Flexi, which allows you to make a withdrawal just once a month, up to 50% of whatever you have saved, and you're not losing your interest. By the way, the interest on the goal setting is 10%. Yes, which is the highest in the industry right now.
So basically, you have regular savings accounts that are not goal related.
Yes.
For the ones that are goal related, so if I want to save for a year or 6 months even,
so
you give 10%.
Yes, 10% on that. Interestingly, so far since we've launched, a lot of people have been saving for holiday, saving for house rent, saving to buy a car, and you can have multiple goals. So that I want to save for a car, and that's all I can do, no. You can save for a car, you can save for vacation, you can save for the birth of a new baby, whatever you want to save for. And there are two types. Like I said, there's also the fixed. So the fixed is when you save, you don't want to have access to that money till the expiration.
How many months?
It's minimum is 30 days.
Okay, minimum is 30 days.
Yes,
okay.
so you can save for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years.
Is there a minimum amount?
No, at the moment, no.
So no entry level minimum?
No, at the moment, no entry level
Definitely
minimum
sounds very
amount.
interesting.
Yes, it is. So we're saying you're doing a lot, and there's a lot Alat is offering also. You request for your card on the app, you activate your card on the app, and one very beautiful feature is you control the usage of your card on any channel by yourself. So the default is we allow you to use your card once you've activated it on the POS and also on the ATM.
Sorry, excuse me. You said something while we were talking earlier. You said something about when you download the app and request for your card, you get your card delivered to you. Is there a cost for that?
No, it's at no cost to the customer. It's free, and the first issuance.
Okay.
The first issuance is free to the customer. So we're giving that. It's part of the package that Alat is coming for joining us.
A lot of value add. Like it feels like a lot of value add and no cost or extra cost to the consumer. I hope it's not one of those things where people start like this and then
afterwards.
All right. We actually thought about this carefully, and my bank is a customer-centric bank, and we didn't just sit in the four walls of our office and decided that this is what we should churn out to our customers. We had a customer focus group of every segment, the students, the young professionals, and the entrepreneurs, and we got a feedback of what their pains are, what their expectations are from their bank, and what they would love their bank to do. And that also continues. So, like I said, Alat is a banking app. Features are coming. Another set of features will come up by month end.
I just have one last question before we round up about the technology. So, it's all well and good to have all these things that, you can do on your phone, but data is an issue. Whether it works, are there glitches with the app? Like, do we have things that you're still working on?
At the moment,
we should worry about that you should warn us.
At the moment, from our end, everything is settled. Even with regulators, for instance, fetching your BVN information data, we have that already sorted out with NIBS, who is the company behind BVN. But it's only where we don't have control is your data, like you rightly said. If it's slow, or you don't even have data at all. But we're saying that if you find us around, because as Salesforce we go around telling people, wanting to also get your feedback on it. You find us around, just tap into our Wi-Fi's and you would enjoy the experience of Alat.
I love it.
Okay, sorry. We're young people, and Alat is supposed to cater for young people. And as young people, we like to shop. Shop online. Shopping made easy. Shop online. Can we use our Alat card to shop online?
Yes, there's nothing you can do with your card. As a matter of fact, you can also help yourself where you have recurring expenses that you make. Just set those recurring expenses to the date, time, and amounts that you pay for it, like your DSTV bills, like recharging your card.
So it just automatically takes it
automatically, yes, it will take it at that set time.
I love it. This sounds so amazing. I know. Like, I can't wait to download the app.
Please.
Chimjo, I want to die. Calm down. What is the problem? That bank, they vanished with all my money. Which bank? Oh, the Wonder Bank. Yes. They made away with all my entire savings after promising to double my investment. Hey, I'm finished. But remember, I warned you that those Wonder Banks and Ponzi schemes are illegal. They come up with all sorts of schemes to give you 100% interest or more on your deposit within a very short period. Yes. After collecting your money, they disappear. Hey! Many unsuspecting investors have been duped by these so-called banks and financial houses. Yes. Next time, when you want to put your money in any investment, either in any bank or any financial house, make sure you do a thorough investigation through the financial regulators in the sector. Hi. I'm finished.
Beware of scammers. Don't put your life's investment in Wonder Banks and other questionable institutions. This message is from the Financial Services Regulation Coordinating Committee, FSRCC.
Thank you so much, guys. This was such a great episode. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely excited about digital financial products, Alat in particular. Thank you so much to our guest, Jeffrey Uzo, founder of Jeffrey Urban Clothing.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And thank you so much, Kehinde Adedeji, the head of Salesforce at Alat.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Let's continue this conversation on social media. My handle is @SmartMoneyRSA. You can also follow the Business Day page @BusinessDayNG. I look forward to hearing your inputs on Alat and other digital financial products. See you next time.